Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you in this video how you can use Motion King. Like imagine this is your car and there's a number on the number plate, so I need to hide it using motion tracking in Premiere Pro. So first of all, what we need to do is go to effects and search for Gaussian blur. Then drag and drop it onto the clip. You might be in the source tab, but you need to go to effect controls, click on the clip, then go to effect controls, scroll down a bit and you'll see blur indices. So what we need to do is at the start, keep it at the point where we want to start the motion. Right from our clip we need to go to the start and then scroll down, and here we need to create a mask. So we'll click here. Alright, our mask is created. Now what we need to do is go to the start where we want to begin, set a keyframe and press the track selective mask forward key, meaning click on it. So the mask will start forming. So as you can see, the track is done. Now what we need to do is increase the blur so we can check. You can also invert it to make it visible, but for now we need to keep the number plate hidden, so we'll do this and increase the blur.